just wanted to make a quick note before I run through these two extensions. I made this demo for our team members, but this workflow can be just as useful for our publishers as well. I'm showing a tool to help you preview your website on different device sizes and a browser and screen capture tool that can be used for many tasks, including sharing issues with our customer support department. So let's have a look. I found this little extension, and basically you just activate it and it will reload the page, so that it actually creates a new tab with the new page loaded with this overlay, and then you can switch very quickly between viewport sizes. And if you click on it again, it'll go from portrait to landscape. You know, some of these things, and this is just what I thought would be interesting from a presentation point of view. If someone was asking about mobile layouts and stuff, you don't have to go and hit F12 and dig around to figure out where the viewport stuff is. You just get this right here. I mean, and the page is still live, and the page is also still live right here in this. So you can basically interact with it and just see how it behaves on different devices without having to jump through the extra steps and even have a bunch of extra clutter on the screen. And lastly, for some reason, they let you customize it. And I'll say that's very good for me when I'm doing screenshots that need to be a certain consistent dimension when I'm adding them to videos and stuff. You don't want to constantly have different sizes of the browser working. So that was the other reason I found this to be quite useful. And then when you're done, there's a little X over here. And basically that will close out and it'll bring you back to wherever you were. And as you see, the original tab where I initiated the plugin is still there. So it kind of operates a little bit independently, but that can be useful, I think, as well. And yeah, it's just on the Chrome web store. So I thought that number one, that's my first one. This next one is called Awesome ChatGPT Screenshot and Screen Recorder, because they do offer a ChatGPT extension to this, but I'll show you how I use it first off. So let's say I go over and I want to capture this a screenshot of this on a mobile kind of thing here. Let's find one that doesn't look too. So now I can activate this screenshot tool. And what it allows you to do is either capture a still of full page, visible part, selected area, things like that, or it even has access to the entire screen if you want. But it also, lovely enough, has actual 720p recording. You can see it's picking up my mic with the little red there. And so without signing in or doing any of the paid stuff, it'll let you do a 5-minute 720p recording directly to your hard drive. And I thought, at least for us, that's probably enough for some of the smaller things we need to do. And if there's anything more extensive, I have other ways of doing this. But I just thought that would be kind of a really a cool thing. So I'll just show you with the capture. Just go to selected area, you do your thing. Okay, it hasn't actually done anything yet, but what's cool is it tells you how big the snapshot is. You can make adjustments, just like this. You can either capture it and annotate it, or you can just copy it to the clipboard. But if you go to capture, it opens it up in a new tab, and this is where the ChatGPT stuff comes in, where you can get feedback on it, any of that kind of stuff. But the main thing, it allows you to download it, copy it again, make a PDF, or even print it. You can hit back, and it'll take you back. So if you needed to do anything else, oh yeah, here's the annotation tools. So if you did actually want to draw on this, it's kind of similar to what you can do with, what I guess, can I just draw? Yeah, so you can do these kind of things, hit done, and then download a copy with this. So it actually has some basic stuff in there. And as I said, nothing is signed in or paid. This is just using like the free stuff. I thought that one was pretty cool, especially with the fact that you can record video with it. That was the main thing for me that I thought was so helpful. So, okay, that's cool. So yeah, let's just start a recording of this tab, and then I'll initiate a GPT chat. at that. It even redid it. It kind of, wow, it actually footnoted the citations this time. Amazing. And here's the same contextual thing. Wow. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it'll let me download it in WebM chat. Okay. And so the other thing is now we can come back and we recorded the video of the whole thing playing. Now what we can also do is come back and we can capture the full page. So we just went through and captured, the entire thing. So if then you wanted to go and scroll through it without having to play a video, you can do that as well.